topic is fertilization, double fertilization in angiospermic plants. First fertilization, fusion of male gamete with the female gamete to form a diploid zygote within the embryo sac is called fertilization. In angiosperms, the female gametes are carried to the egg by a pollen tube. Strasburger in 1884, the process is called siphonogamy. And in double fertilization, firstly demonstrated by the Norshin in 1898 in Lilium. The pollen grains, pollen grains of smiley-like structure containing one germ pore in monocot pollen grains and two germ pores found in dicot pollen grains. It's a germ pore and containing two male nuclei and one tube nucleus, and outer layer is spiny like a axile, and inner thin wall is intine. The pollen grains shifted due to different factors like a wind by the insect, and it sticks on the stigma of the plant. Then after some time, it's a concentrate sugar solution present at this site, and the tube nuclei, chemotropic movement start at this site. Inside the three nuclei present in pollen grains, two male nuclei and one tube nuclei. The responsibility of the tube nuclei runs the formation of tube inside the style and the entry of the pollen tube in ovule through the micropylar end. Micropylar opening. And the pollen tube germinates and enters through the micropylar end in ovular sac, and the entry of the tube nuclei, at last tube nuclei degenerated, and backward side of tube nuclei two male nucleus runs, and one by one runs here, and the insert inside the embryo sac, and the mature embryo sac, first male nuclei fuse with the polar nuclei, and then this polar nuclei, it's a 3N like condition, and second male nuclei fuse with a female nucleus, and the first step, fusion of male and female gamete, it's a syngamy process, and syngamy, it's also known as generative fertilization, and the other triple fusion. First step is syngamy, and second step is triple fusion. And after triple fusion, it's converted into primary endosperm nucleus. Most important term, PEN. Expand the term PEN, primary endosperm nucleus. And The endosperm produce the nutritive support through of embryo, and the outer layer of ovule expand seed, and the inner part of ovule its developmental part of embryo, and the outer layer of ovary is known as outer region of gynoecium, containing stigma, style, and ovary. And ovary forms fruit, and the fruit is a very essential part of flower and edible part of plant. And the entry of the pollen tube through the micropylar end is also known as porogamy. It's common process. And the other, it's a chalazogamy. Some cases the pollen tube enters through the chalazal end, and the other mesogamy. In some cases the pollen tube enters through the integumentary parts found in cucurbits like a